DC Blue Advanced Roll-Up, how to activate the holiday lockout feature. Please note that you would have had to program a transmitter button into the holiday lockout channel and another transmitter button into the BT channel, which is the full opening channel. To begin, door is fully closed. Press and release the holiday lockout button. In order to activate, press and release the BT channel button on your transmitter. In order to make sure that it is active, press and release from the BT channel button. 3 beeps, 3 flashes. In order to deactivate this feature, press and release the holiday lockout channel button on your transmitter, followed by the BT channel button. Holiday lockout has been successfully deactivated.